Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be exploring how to use the Asana calendar for sprint planning. The first thing we're going to do is open up our Asana platform and navigate to the calendar view. This gives us a bird's eye view of our tasks and their deadlines. Now, having this overview is crucial because it allows us to see our project timeline in a clear, organized manner. Next up, we'll add tasks to our calendar. To do this, we just click on the date we want, type in our task, and hit enter. We do this because each task represents an essential part of our sprint, and placing it on the calendar helps us visualize our workflow. Now that we've done that, we're going to assign these tasks to team members. This is done by simply clicking on the task and typing in the name of the member in the Assignees section. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone knows what their responsibilities are for the sprint. Next, we're going to add due dates to our tasks. You do this by clicking on a task and selecting a due date in the right-hand panel. This helps us because it gives us a clear deadline for each task, helping us to stay on track and avoid delays. Now, let me explain why this matters. By plotting out our sprint in this visual way, we can easily see our progress, identify any potential bottlenecks, and adjust our plan as needed. This transparency is what makes Asana's calendar feature such a powerful tool for sprint planning. Finally, we're going to make use of Asana's color coding feature. By clicking on a task and selecting a color, we can categorize our tasks. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually incredibly helpful for quickly identifying different types of tasks or priorities at a glance. And there you have it. That's how you can use the Asana calendar for effective sprint planning. Remember, the key is to keep your calendar updated and to regularly monitor your progress. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to use this guide as your roadmap to success in 2025 and beyond.